Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 guide for using Zoho Project for real estate management. First, log into your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, create a new project and name it after the property you're managing. This helps us because it keeps all relevant tasks, documents, and communications organized under one project, making it easier to find everything related to that specific property. Next up, you'll need to add your team members to the project. Go to the User Management section and invite your real estate agents, property managers, contractors, or anyone else involved in the project. Inviting these team members allows for seamless collaboration and communication within Zoho Project, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and set up some tasks. Tasks could be anything from tenant requests and maintenance issues to property inspections and lease renewals. The reason we do this is to keep track of all the work that needs to be done for the property. You can assign each task to a specific team member and set deadlines, helping to keep everyone accountable and on track. Another fantastic feature of Zoho Project is the ability to upload and share documents. This might be lease agreements, property photos, or inspection reports. To do this, go to the Documents tab and upload your files. This helps us because it provides a centralized location for all important documents, which can then be easily accessed by any team member. Lastly, make use of the Reports function. Here you can generate detailed reports about task progress, time spent, and overall project status. This is critical as it gives you an instant overview of how your property management is going and where you might need to adjust your strategies. So that's it. A quick guide to using Zoho Project for real estate management. Remember, the key is to stay organized and use the features to communicate effectively with your team. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.